Hello everyone, my name is Shivansh Dixit and you are watching Content Talent channel. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So let's start it. Today I will teach you about the new version of GODOT. This is a one lower version. Okay guys, 3.6 have one lower version, but the latest version is 4.3. And guys, I will explain this in here. You will firstly write GODOT in your Chrome browser and go to godot.org website. Now download latest, and you will not download this GODOT engine. You will download net file. Okay guys, that file is best for this, and you will not use the previous version. But if you will use previous version, then you will see a one best 4.4 version. And guys, this is launch in okay guys, it will launch on the 5th December and 2024, and today's date is 15 December. Means this is only 10 days before. And now you will select Windows.N18 net. Now download this, and this is the one best. And I will download Dev 5 version because on that time the 6 will be not available, and this is the one latest version because it will come only 10 days back. Now 4.4 and Dev 6 version you will download. And guys, the series of platformer game is completed because this is only a one introduction to your GODOT series. This is not a one full game. Okay guys, but now you will make a one game that you want to make. Okay guys, you will create 3D game now because you will introduce, I will introduce already the 2D games, and I will introduce you with 3D now. And if after I will introduce you to 3D, then you will create your game, and I will make some projects. And now your file will be installed. Then open the zip file and open the folder. Now Dev 6 version and mon the first file. That size is larger. You will select open that. And now guys, see, our GODOT is installed. And see, any new thing. And here, remove missings. Okay guys. And now create a one game that name like what I should do. Okay guys, let's write here intro and 3D. Intro 3D. Alright guys. Now create this and add it. And now guys, you will see this window of GODOT 4.4 and Dev 6 version. Now it is so best. And guys, if you will thinking we can download this, then you will not able to do this because okay guys, this here you will go previous versions, then you will see this. And this is our new update because I will download this version, but now I will see a new update will be come here. Now here you will see this window, and now it's looking great, so good. And in your environment you will see a sun. And now guys, see, and now our grid is this. And I want to explain you how can I will create things in it. You will create 3D scene. It's not 3D. Now add an object name box. You will see, if you will write box, you will not see anything. But it's a 2D container, sorry guys. In the 3D for box, you will do here mesh intense 3D. And here you have multi mesh intense 3D. Multi mesh, like new 2D to 3D. These colors. And now you will see this. Not here I will not use multi mesh intense 3D. I will simply use mesh intense 3D. And premise object. Now geometry, and guys, here in the material, what you will do? A shadow material, new shadow. Not guys, it's not shadow. And this vectors color, and you will see now many options are here. Shadow, see guys, we have these things here, and this you will see here. And this is for this video, and we will start us in the next video now guys. And I am deleting this mentioned 3D, and this is all for this video. And guys, I hope you liked this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video, and I am quitting the video.